Imagine having the reasoning power of a premium AI model operating entirely on your own hardware, completely offline, completely free forever. Google recently released Gemma 4. Instead of keeping it locked behind a paid subscription or a cloud server, they made it an open weights model designed specifically to live directly on your personal devices. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a high-level AI running natively on both your laptop and your smartphone, generating responses without any active Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Step 1 is gathering the hardware. You need a modern computer, a smartphone, a temporary internet connection for the initial download, and 20 gigabytes of free local storage. Bypassing cloud servers is about reclaiming complete privacy. When the model lives on your machine, your data never leaves your hard drive, giving you total control over your inputs. Take a look at this interface, LM Studio. It acts as a free, user-friendly local engine to run raw AI models right on your desktop. Use the central search bar and type in Gemma 4 to locate the specific models available. This diagram shows the 26B mixture of experts. A central node holds 26 billion parameters, but only a small subset lights up at once. Because these pathways dynamically shift for specific tasks, the massive model runs efficiently on standard hardware. Keep in mind, downloading this 26 billion parameter model requires an uninterrupted internet connection to pull down the entire 18 gigabyte file. Once the download finishes, open a local chat window. Click the top menu and select the newly downloaded Gemma 4 26B option. The moment that selection is made, your internet connection is permanently severed for desktop AI generation. Now we test the setup. We ask for animated HTML code. The model generates text rapidly. The resulting code structure is clean, featuring intentional typography and smooth animation logic built right in. Looking at the rendered results side by side, we see the raw code on the left executing perfectly into the modern animated layout on the right. This local capability matches what you would normally expect from a premium cloud service. Next, we test visual processing. We want the model to natively read text from an image without relying on cloud-based optical character recognition. Take an image file packed with dense text and drag it directly into your offline chat window. The model transcribes the text immediately and accurately. No external app support is required. Processing complex code and analyzing visual documents strictly on device ensures absolute operational security for your most sensitive personal and corporate files. We scale this independence down to mobile, using the Google Edge Gallery app as our engine. This scale diagram shows the hardware limitations of a smartphone. We bypass the massive 26B desktop model for the E4B, or effective 4 billion model, a highly dense core designed to fit perfectly inside mobile architecture. Open the Edge Gallery app and install the E4B model directly to your phone's storage. With the model installed, it is time for the final test. Swipe down and trigger airplane mode to kill all connectivity. Type a practical prompt. Draft a professional email to my boss regarding a project deliverable delay. The app instantly generates a highly coherent, professional draft right on your screen, entirely offline. True AI utility means instant reasoning, available in dead zones, on long flights, or completely off-grid locations. You now possess a fully independent dual-device AI ecosystem. Because the model is yours, you can utilize detailed system prompts to teach the AI to adopt your specific personalized writing style for every task. And because there is no token limit, your system prompt doesn't eat into response quality. When the model is yours, you shape it into exactly what you need. With zero financial cost and zero internet requirements, consider what specific, daily tasks you will automate first. By engineering a highly capable model for personal hardware, Google democratizes top-tier AI. It shifts processing power away from server farms directly to the individual.